I'm Miriam Joy and welcome to my studio. We wanted to give you a sneak peek at the Geode and Crystal class. This is a Gourd class. It is so much fun. There are so many ways and so many things you can use to make these, from sand to crushed glass, items from the dollar store. The insides of our gourd are very inexpensive products. So we'll give you some different examples and things to try. We teach you how to light them. So we have one that lights if you want to put a light in one, from ornaments. The back sides are as beautiful as the front sides. There's just so much you can do with this. This has been in the works for a long time. So come on to miriamjoy.com and get your class today. Thank you. God bless.